Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. My name's Ryan. Today we have something completely different, but yet somewhat the same. We're going to be shooting Aguila Rifle Match Competition ammo from my CZ457 with the factory barrel, factory configuration. We have about 6 to 9 miles an hour, 6 to 9 miles an hour left to right wind. It's not gusting too bad, but it's kind of consistent, so we should be fine that way. It's around 60 degrees. Well, that's what it feels like. I'll put the temperature up now. But yeah, let's get to shooting. It's a nice day. Let's do it. So here we are in another beautiful Canadian spring day. It's pretty nice out today. Wind's not too bad. And today we have Aguila 22 Rifle Match Competition. This stuff goes for $8.99 Canadian from my local shop. They have a whole bunch of it there, so I figured let's try it. It's cheaper than SK. Let's see if it can compete. As you know, last week we did the SK Standard Plus, and that stuff seemed to be one of the better ones in my rifle anyways. Let's see how this stuff does. It's 40 grain. I don't know if it's subsonic or supersonic. We'll find out from the MagnetoSpeed chronograph. And we have the target downloaded from Day at the Range up at 50 yards. We're shooting 40 shots total, and all the data will be up at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get to our 20 fouling shots. The barrel is seasoned right now for SK from last week, so let's just see what happens with our first 20 fouling shots. Ditch the shades, flip the hat, get comfortable, and let's get shooting. I really hope it doesn't hit my camera, because if that camera breaks, I don't have the money to replace it right now. So we'd be down to 1080p max. That's 4K now, so let's do it. Pretty close to the SK. I'm just gonna keep going. It's pretty much bang on point of aim, point impact. So shoot our next 10 and then get to shooting the groups. Don't know what happened there. So that's our 20 fouling shots complete, and this stuff is impressing me big time. And that's under $100 a brick Canadian, which is probably like $50 US. Not sure if you guys get this stuff, but in this factory configuration with this rifle, kicking ass so far. Even with the fouling shots, like, it was lighting it up right away, dead center. So, and consistently like hitting the same hole. So not going to complain about that. But now let's get into the actual groups we're going to measure. So first group's going to be the top left target, and we're going to shoot 5 shots. Let's get at it. Oh my God. I think I spoke too soon. Two flyers, three in the same hole. Well, hopefully the next 5 on group number 2 here all on the same hole. So let's get going. Group number 2, top right target. What is going on? Okay, I definitely spoke too soon. Doesn't seem to be liking it now. It must have been the lube from the SK stuff, like, because the first bunch of shots were killing it, but now I can't get the group worth shit. Oh man, that's disappointing. Anyway, let's go to group number 3, bottom right. See if we can get one good group out of this stuff. It was looking good till the last shot. Man, I don't know what to say about this. Might have to revisit it again with the IBI barrel because it seems like it really wants to shoot, just it's not shooting. Or maybe I'll do one extra group at the end just to try. I don't know. From what I was seeing at the fouling shots, it was looking so good. But now, not so much. Well, let's move on to group number 4. Bottom left for 5. Here we go. Well, not the greatest, but it's not the worst also. I'm gonna shoot 5 more just to see, because it's trying the group really hard, but it just hasn't shown its potential from what I'm seeing. It really wants to do it. So let's just give it one more group. We'll see what it'll do. And where am I going to shoot this group? I'm going to use the aim point between the 2 bottom targets, the cross right below the middle and between the 2 bottom targets for 5. Here we go. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it wasn't meant to be. Not with this rifle anyways. So there we have it, the Aguila Rifle Match, or 22 Rifle Match Competition. So at $9 a box, I'd rather just spend $2 extra and get the SK yellow box, the standard plus, because that seems to be very consistent in this rifle setup. And for the price, like what's $2? That's a coffee. So, and you're guaranteed to have good groups compared to this, where it's kind of hit or miss. So anyways, now we have 45 shots on the chronograph. I'll throw the data up right now. You guys can take a look at it. Maybe we can find out why it was throwing flyers like that from the numbers. But anyway, until next week, guys, have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. 22 shooting's the way to go. See you next week.